Here I've got Hammer Blade, and let me show you how to activate the portable hotspot on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications. Then scroll down, find and pick the settings. Here you have to locate and under wireless and networks open more. And go to tethering and portable hotspot. And here, if you would like to activate your hotspot, tap on the first tab, which is Wi-Fi hotspot, switch it on over here. Give your device a short while. And from now on, it's active. As you can see here, you've got the icon, so now you can share your network with other devices, with other people. If you would like to set up your Wi-Fi hotspot, so if you would like to change the network name or the password, tap on Setup Wi-Fi Hotspot. And now you can change the network name by tapping on the current one, delete it, and enter a new one. Let me add just hard to the first Hammer name, and then let's change the password. So if you will click on Show Password, you will be able to see what your current password is. Then you can delete it and just enter a new one. You just have to remember that your password must have at least 8 characters. And once it's done, click on Save. Give your device a short while to upload all the changes. And as you can see, from now on your device name, your network name is Hammerheart, and then you've got the new password saved. So that is all. Then you can switch off your password whenever you want to. Thank you for watching. Enjoy using your internet or on more than one device. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.